Hey y'all. So yesterday I told you we were going to do Christmas ornaments today. So we're going to paint the inside of these. One of the girls at church actually did this last weekend with the kids and it was a lot of fun. So wonderful idea to do. I really wanted to get the clear plastic ornaments, but they did not have any that I could find, so we're going to use glass. And we're going to cross our fingers, cross them, that this little Miss Josina back here doesn't bust one. Anyways, first thing you need to do is take them out, of course. And then we're going to take this rubbing alcohol here and we're going to pour just a drop into each ornament and swish it around to clean the inside and help the paint stick. And then I got a coffee cup here. I'm going to put all the tops on. And then we're going to just let them dry until Sissy gets home. And then we're going to put paint in them. And that is when the real fun happens, huh?
But that would not go great with the paint inside.
Oh, it's going to. You'll see. You'll see.
And
Alright.
Can you help me put the paint inside?
Yeah, I'll help you.
Help me learn how to do that?
I will. Alright. Here we go. So take your rubbing alcohol. It doesn't need to be a whole lot. Ooh. Doesn't want to pour in there too good. Just a drop. And then I'm going to take a paper towel.
That smells yucky.
It does smell yucky. And we're just going to swirl it around in there.
Yeah, like it really.
Get as much of the excess to come out as we can, and then we're just going to set it in here. It's going to dry, and then when Sissy gets home, we're going to put paint in them.
It's going to take forever, guys.
Does this mean it's school forever?
Why does it take so long?
Little drop, cover it, shake it up, swirl it around.
Twirl. This is making me busy.
Is it making you dizzy?
Hello, I miss a clean.
And yeah, that's all there is to it. So Josina and I now are going to finish putting the rubbing alcohol in these. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm trying to talk, Miss Noisy Maker. Alright, so Josina and I are going to finish, I'm going to finish putting the rubbing alcohol in these. And then when Sissy gets home, we're going to paint them.
If you want to see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure it's so funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how it should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Alright, y'all. So we got them all cleaned out with rubbing alcohol. And now we got to get the paint. So all you're going to do is pick your paint colors. You can pick 2 to 3. And you're going to dump them into these little bulbs and use a little paper towel on the top. And you're just going to kind of swirl it. We'll show you.
Done we now our gay apparel, la 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 la.
right, we got ornaments all done. They all turned out so cute.
Nice is better. Esme, you know, nice is much more better.
So now, Josina's wound up to no end. We're gonna let these dry. And we're gonna go do our advent calendar. Alright. You're such a geek. Alright, let's get our advent calendar done for the day. Right, so we're going to do these advent calendars. We're on day 3 of our church one. Here's number 3. It says she was engaged to Joseph the carpenter. So remember, there was a little town called Nazareth. A young woman named Mary lived there. She was engaged to Joseph the carpenter.
Okay.
Alright, and then this one, we got to find number 3 on our chocolate one.
Can I do my 1, 2, and 3?
And Esme is going to do her 1, 2, and 3 because I told her to start it last night and I think she spaced it. So she's going to do 3 days in one. Alright, number 3.
'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
Do you see number 3?
The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
Oh, there he is. He's kind of hidden in there.
That's hard, Mom.
That's hard. Oh, I think I got it.
You did! Oh,
The
Mom.
children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads.
What your sister just said. Alright, now we got to shake up a chocolate. Or should we glue it first?
I think I'll chocolate first.
Okay, just shake up a chocolate first. That's the most important part of it all.
What are you doing?
Shaking up one of her chocolates because I never stay in the spot.
Really?
Hers are just all over the place. Alright, and then we'll glue this on here. And I think that is going to wrap it up for today's vlog. Esme, if they haven't done so, what should they do?
Like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to share.
I want you to say that.
Well, you can say it too. And Daddy's playing video games, so that's what that noise is. Alright.
Click and subscribe down below.
Alright, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye!